as you could see, this figure, the human figure, which is correct in its proportions and all of its ratios. There are 7 to 8 heads from top to bottom of the human figure. They have all been measured out, and as the template which I shared shows, you can place them according to their numbers in that order. Now, after you've completed that, you can change the positioning of the legs and the knees in any position you wish after that. Okay? You can change the arms, make sure and put back the shoulders where they are to be, the hands always falling at the side, like so. Okay, now we can change the position of the figure based on these. I would like everyone to please either photocopy or print the template or the sheet which I have attached. So we are moving along from stickmen, the dynamic stickmen, which comprises of our arched spine, our shoulders, hips, our joints at the wrist, knees, elbows, shoulders. And we've moved from stickmen onto the calculations of the proportions. 8 heads high, 7.5 to 8 heads high, the human figure. And then lastly, now we are moving on to constructing this figure using the template that I have provided in So, as everyone can see, I have already begun by creating a gesture for my figure based on my carnival theme. This is a carnival masquerader. I have decided to go ahead and use gift wrap to create a skirt and a top for this figure in keeping with the season, the carnival season. So, as you can see here, I've already outlined the shapes and I've cut them. I've spread glue at the back using my glue stick, and it fits nicely onto the form like that. I can now go ahead and collage in my skirt, the skirt as well as the top for this figure, like so. I have already also pre-cut accessories such as shoes, handbags, headdress and handbands and so on, which I will apply to the figure using collage technique. This is part of the cut paper technique using specific shapes that I have cut. I will be very careful as to extend the costume so as to not make it too skimpy or inappropriate in any way. I will also go ahead and I will attach everything else, and I will share this image with you, so please stay tuned. Thank you everyone.